Embrace the thrill of investing. Feel your pulse racing as you dive headfirst into a world of financial possibilities and opportunities. It's not just a casual venture, but a thrilling adrenaline rush that comes with the sheer potential of monetary growth. Investing is like standing at the edge of a cliff, taking a daring leap, and realizing that you can fly. It's like being an adventurer, navigating the treacherous yet exciting paths of the financial landscape. It's not just about figures and percentages, but about passion and perseverance. It's about the spirit of entrepreneurship, the will to take risks, and the firm belief in your own capabilities. Unravel the mystery of stocks. They're not just pieces of paper in a ledger, they're a reflection of a company's soul, mirroring its strengths and weaknesses. Each stock carries its own story, a unique narrative woven out of the company's journey from inception to the present. They encapsulate victories and failures, hopes and fears, dreams and realities. Learning about stocks is like being a detective, deciphering hidden patterns and trends, uncovering elusive truths beneath layers of financial data. It's about reading between the lines of balance sheets, understanding the language of profit and loss statements, interpreting the cryptic codes of earnings per share. It's about having an instinct, that gut feeling to buy and when to sell. Be part of the financial revolution. It's a call to arms for all those who dare to dream big, who dare to break boundaries, who dare to challenge the status quo. It's about transforming the world one investment at a time, about making a difference not just in your own life but in the lives of others. You become a catalyst for progress, a force for change, a beacon of hope. Investing is a journey, a voyage of discovery into the world of finance. It's a learning experience where every step, every decision, every success, and every failure is a lesson that shapes you into a better investor. Turn pennies into fortunes, not through magic or miracles, but through strategic planning, careful analysis, and effective decision-making. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but a gradual process, a steady climb towards financial freedom. It takes patience, determination, and resilience. It involves making sacrifices, taking calculated risks, and staying the course even when the going gets tough. It's about riding the waves of market volatility, staying afloat in the turbulent sea of economic uncertainties, and emerging victorious amidst the thunderstorms of financial crises. Join the dance of numbers today. It's a beautiful waltz of digits and decimals, a harmonious symphony of profits and losses. It's about finding the rhythm in the seemingly chaotic fluctuations, about moving gracefully with the ebbs and flows of economic tides. It's about knowing when to step forward, when to step back, and when to simply go with the flow. It's not just about the numbers and the profits, but also about the lifestyle, the mindset, the discipline, and the self-improvement that comes with it. It's about the personal growth, the character development, and the life skills that you gain along the way. Embrace this exhilarating journey into the world of investing. Set your sights on your financial goals. Equip yourself with the right knowledge and skills. Muster up the courage to take calculated risks, and brace yourself for the thrilling ride. Embrace the thrill of investing. Join the dance of numbers today. Welcome to the second phase of our investing journey. As we delve deeper into this exciting world of finance, it's time to turn our attention to the psychological aspect of investing. A successful investor isn't merely mathematically inclined, but also has the right mindset, keen perception, and unswerving tenacity. This journey that we are embarking on necessitates not just intelligence, but courage, persistence, and a knack for strategic thinking. In the world of investing, emotion and psychology play a crucial role. It's not merely about crunching numbers or analyzing financial data, far from it. It's about understanding human behavior, about deciphering market signals, about anticipating trends and creating a positive investing environment for yourself. It's about fostering an attitude of resilience and adaptability in the face of ever-changing market scenarios. To tame the financial market, often likened to due to its volatility and unpredictability, you need to embrace uncertainty. The market will ebb and flow, it will rise and fall. There will be days of great gains and days of humbling losses. You need to accept this reality, be prepared for it, and not let it shatter your resolve. Next, we will focus on the virtue of patience. Investing, as we all know, isn't a sprint but a marathon. It's a long-term game that requires determination and endurance. You shouldn't expect immediate returns, as that's not how the investing world operates. Overnight success is a myth. Instead, you should focus on the bigger picture, the long-term potential of your investments, the steady growth over time, the power of compound interest. Thirdly, let's talk about persistence. It's easy to invest when the market is performing well, but to investing when the market is underperforming requires courage and conviction. There will be times when the market will disappoint you, when your investments will not perform as expected, but don't let that discourage you. Keep going. Have confidence in yourself. Don't allow market rumors and speculations to sway you or cloud your judgment. Stay true to your investment strategy, and don't hesitate to adjust it if necessary. Be flexible and open-minded. Remember, developing the investor's mindset is a continuous process. It's not a destination but a journey. It can't be achieved overnight. It requires effort, discipline, and determination. It requires you to continuously learn and evolve, to adapt and grow with the changing market dynamics. Lastly, always remember to diversify your portfolio, to spread your investments' asset classes and sectors. This will not only help you minimize risk but also maximize returns. Also, keep educating yourself about various investment options, stay updated with market trends, and never hesitate to seek expert advice when needed. Developing the investor's mindset is not a one-time event, but rather a continuous journey of growth, learning, and adaptation. Once you can cultivate this mindset, the financial market effectively turning volatility into opportunity, uncertainty into a playground of potential. So, let's continue this exciting journey of investing and equip ourselves with the knowledge and mindset needed to succeed. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies in our next. Welcome to Scene 3 of our investment journey. The world of investing is a unique universe, filled with uncertainty yet brimming with potential. It can be intimidating, but once you venture into it, you'll unveil its depth and beauty. Investing is an adventure, a ride full of ups and downs. Remember, the right mindset can turn these lows into growth prospects. It's more than just making money. Investing is about creating wealth over time, setting financial goals, working towards them. It involves taking calculated risks and enjoying the benefits. Knowledge is power in this investment world. Your understanding of the market conditions impacts your investment decisions. Equip yourself with the necessary data and stay updated with market trends. Understand the factors of supply and demand, explore different investment choices. Remember, investing is an ongoing process, a road of continuous growth and learning. So prepare yourself for this thrilling journey. Stay tuned for our next segment where we'll delve into some specific investing strategies. Welcome to Scene 4 of our journey, discovering the investor within. Investing is more than just the market. It's a journey into self-discovery. It's about confronting fears, grasping your risk tolerance, and defining your financial aspirations. Are you bold or cautious in your approach? Your strategies should echo your life goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, planning to buy property, or funding education, each goal demands different approach. Investing reveals your financial discipline and resilience. It challenges your focus in market volatility and emphasizes how patience aids in accomplishing long-term goals. Essentially, investing is a voyage into your financial psyche, a path to financial independence. But remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Stay tuned for next segment where we'll discuss specific investing strategies for your financial goals. Welcome to Scene 5, where we delve deeper into the personal journey of investing. Investing is a test of your courage, resilience, and endurance. It's about making challenging decisions amidst market fluctuations and persistently striving towards financial goals. The journey is filled with highs and lows, profits and losses. Yet, it's your tenacity and determination that help you navigate these challenges. As an investor, it's essential to perceive setbacks as lessons rather than failures. Every successful investor has faced losses. It's their ability to reassess and march forward in their investment journey that differentiates them. It's not about avoiding risks altogether, but rather managing them effectively. In the next, we'll explore how to translate resilience and courage into practical investment strategies to reach your financial goals. Stay tuned.